Hi everyone. So today we are talking about how we can connect our MCP server and how we can run that from the URL. So it's a pretty simple that we can test it from Postman, and I'm going to show you how we can execute that, how the authorization part required, how we can use our URL, and how we can connect and run from Postman itself. So, if you have any questions regarding this, you can just comment it out. So let's get started. And it's a pretty simple that if you follow this video, you will able to do that. It's a pretty simple process. So, what exactly the um, what I'm going to do? So I'm creating a one MCP server and I'm selecting a UiPath. So I'm connecting UiPath predicts. So whatever the artifacts that you are creating into the UiPath or your products, it will save it into the UiPath. So that UiPath predicts or artifacts we can run only. It is meant by that UiPath. So first you can just select MCP connect. You can select as per your requirement. Then after that, the description you can select whatever. uh, this is MCP connection. So here we have to add the tools. So whatever you have created, let's suppose in the automations, the RPA workflows, you can see it here. In the agents, you will able to see your agents, whatever the agents you have created, then agentic processes and API workflows. So as of now for RPA, I have created a local RPA challenge. So that's only I have created for demo purpose. Let's connect that only. And here we have added our tools. So what is mean by tools? So in the MCP server, we have added our process. Whatever the process you have to run through APIs or through URLs, you can just you can directly run it from here. So here we have a preview URL. You can see that it's been created itself. From here you can just add it and you have the URL over here. So you can copy it. So before that I have to open Postman. So here we have a Postman, and in that Postman you can test it and whether that MCP server is working, how many processes we can run from it. So you can test it from here. So let's give it something. I think so I have connected with it. Yeah, okay, I have connected with that. And simply you can just go into here and you can select the MCP. So select the plus button, you can see that the MCP. So after selecting it, you will able to see that the drop down option here. Then you can select the HTTP. Okay, after creating it, you will able to see that uh, the URL. So you can provide the URL here from here. So it's showing that it's active. So you can select, you can copy your URL. Then after that, you can just copy it and connect. Sorry. So before connecting it, we need to connect. We need to provide the authorization. So for the authorization, we can select a bearer token. So creating a bearer token, we required a client ID. So from here, uh, So from the preferences, we can create a token and client ID. So after in the preferences, you can see the personal access token, and then after that, you can create your own personal access token. So I can see that uh, I will make it same MCP connect. Okay, and I will say it 4 days. Okay, add scopes. You can select your scopes. So I want a orchestrator for now because I'm running my processes from there itself. So I have selected that orchestrator API, then save it. After saving it, you will see that the scopes, whatever the scopes you have selected, just create it, and then after that we'll get the token created, and it's a client secret. Then after that we have to go into the Swagger. So simply you can just copy your orchestrator URL, and from here you can go into the Swagger swag orchestrator, your swagger.index.html, and in that Swagger, swaggers you can go into the folders, and in folders you have you will find the folder slash get all for current user. So you can just go into that, and you can first authorize it. So I already authorized, so I will just log out first, close it. Okay, so let's authorize it. Select your client secret. So I have created that client secret, and then client secret, and authorize it. So after authorizing it, you will see that here. uh, Try it out and execute. Then you will get the bearer token from here, uh, and you can just select that all bearer token. I think so I have selected extra. Let me select these part only, and here. Okay, so I have selected my bearer token, and in the postman you can just paste it here and connect. So after pasting it, you can see that the response is connected. It means our MCP server is connected. So in the message section, you can see that whatever the projects we have, tools we have added, you can see it here. So let me just refresh it. So here you can see that the local RPA challenge, you will able to see that. And simply after selecting it, you can run that process, and after running it, it will automatically run your RPA process. So that's all about the RPA workflows, how you can trigger it from Swagger, or how you can test it from uh, different tools. You can just create your URL, then you can connect from authorization, and yeah, boom, you can able to run your process. So yes, that's pretty much from my side, because you can see that the things are pretty clear for you. So you can check it out, and you can see that the error is true or something. If I didn't stop it, so it will see that false. So we can see that the logs over here, whatever the process has been created, and whatever the jobs IDs and everything, you can able to see it here. So that's pretty much from my side. If you have any doubts or clarity, just comment it out. I will definitely go through that, and I will comment back to your comments. Yeah, thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, so just subscribe the channel, and yeah, see you soon for the next video.